Hi guys, Subhan here from 200forexpips.com. This is going to be a very informative video, so make sure that you should not skip this one. So we are going to talk about the most important candlestick patterns that are very useful for forex trading, and you can simply identify the trends and you can be a very good forex trader just by trading the naked charts. Yes guys, if you are going to use the naked charts, if you are not using any kind of indicators, then guys, let me tell you that professionals always use the candlestick patterns. So let me talk about the few candlestick patterns that can help you, and I will show you the different scenarios of the market. So before I start this discussion, so if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel till now, then please press the subscribe button and also press the notification button so that you can you will be notified by YouTube whenever I go for live streaming and when I will do any video on the YouTube. Okay guys, if you have also not watched my live scalping series, then please watch my previous videos. They will help you a lot. Okay, let's not waste the time and let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you that how you can do this. So for example, look at this candle, look at this small candle, this one. Okay, you can see the top body is bearish and it has a long tail like this. Okay, now I'm going to put another trend line here so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Now even if you compare this candle with the previous candle, still it has a long bearish body. Sorry, at the top it has a bearish body and the long tail like this. So basically such type of signs are a sign of a trend reversal. Okay, but it doesn't mean that the trend is going to reverse for the longer period of time. Sometimes it always also go into the longer period, but mostly you can use the candlestick patterns for making this scalping purpose. So for example, like on gold, you can see that it's making hammers. This is called the hammer into the forex market. So basically the previous trend is the downward trend, so it is saying you for some hours the market can change its trend. So once you see that at this level, let me put the line here. So if from at this level, if you see that the market is going to go into the upward direction, then you can say that this was not a fake signal, this was a valid signal, and you can enter into the trade. Okay, sometimes the signals are also false by the candlestick pattern, so you do not have to be focused on this 100%. Always you look for the confirmation. If the confirmation comes, then it's good. Okay, for example, let me talk about this level. Look here, now I'm going to talk about another candlestick pattern which is called doji. Okay, now look at here, this the previous pattern was up. Look at this plus sign, this is called doji. Okay, so doji means that the market can reverse from the next levels. So from the very next candle, the market starts to go up and the previous pattern was up. Okay, so that was not a fake signal, that was a perfectly fine signal, and you can simply trade your trading decisions based on this one. Okay, later on what happened? Look, the market again went up, and now let me show you two very important things. Now look at here, we have a down trend from here to here. Now look, we have three things here. Okay, first of all, we have a hammer. So hammer stands for change of the trend direction. Okay, the hammer appeared. So for example, from this level to this level, if the market were into the market was getting the buyers and then it went up. So when the hammers appeared, let me tell you, the professional traders normally exit of that particular trade. For example, if anyone has taken a buy trade from this level and the market came up to here and you see the hammer is appeared, so they will exit from the trade. And the very next candle was something like doji. So doji is also a sign of a trend reversal, and after waiting for a few hours, look at this candle guys. Now just reverse the hammer. Look, this is the hammer. Now just reverse the hammer, it will become the shooting star, and shooting star means that it's a sign of a bearish trend. And then you can see after this shooting star appeared, and even again the doji and hammer appeared, and look how the market slides into the bad way. And even if you look at this candle, we have a hammer here and we have shooting star here. So overall we had the down signals on gold. That's why you can see that the gold has slides to the very downward level. Hopefully hammer, doji. So hammer and doji are the sign of trend reversal, whereas the shooting star means that if we reverse the hammer, the lower bearish body will be into the lower side and the pin will be on the top side, so it will become the shooting star. Okay, so let me see if I'm able to find another opportunities. Look guys, look at Euro USD. Now let me tell you, overall the downward trend appeared. Look, this is the shooting star candle, the market dropped, and then we have a hammer here in the previous hours. 3 hours ago, and now look, after 2 hours the market has went up. So it means that this was not the fake signal on Euro USD, that was the very good fine signal by the candle pattern sticks. Okay, now look at New Zealand USD. Look, this is the hammer. Okay, just reverse the this is the shooting star, just reverse the hammer, it will become a shooting star. And if you were looking at the market, then you can see that this was the doji. So previous trend is up, lot of dojis appeared. Look, 1 2 3 and 4 dojis appeared, and after that shooting star finally appeared, and then the market slides down. Okay, now look at here, this is very important that you even if you remove the indicators, still you will be going to use them in your chart trading. Okay, now at Great Britain Pound USD, look, the previous trend is down, and now we have the hammer, very sweet hammer, and even we have the one more hammer few hours ago. So it's a kind of a up signal, that if you see that the market is going up, so overall the market is a bit slow right now, but if you see that the market is going up, then you can go into the upward direction. Okay, so let me see another thing if I am able to find. Look guys, here we have the shooting star, as well as we have the hammer, and look, we have the doji here, and then the market moved up. And then let me show you another signs here if I am able to. Okay, so it doesn't mean that they will appear all the time. Okay guys, so make sure that you do not think so that they will appear all the time, but you just need to watch your charts all the time, so that they can help you in your forex trading decisions. So mostly guys, you can see the dojis were here, and then the market slides up. Look, doji was here, market slides up because the previous trend was down. At last I'm going to take you towards HDJPY. Okay, now how to understand that was the fake signal. Okay, look, so guys, it's always better that you should wait for one at least candle after the doji. Look at this was the previous upward trend. Okay, and the doji was appeared, you should have exit from the trade, then it was unable to close in a proper bearish way, and the next candle again moved up. It means that this was a fake signal. So how this you can get rid of the fake signals as well. Look at this small hammer, small shooting star, the market slides down. So guys, this is going to be a very powerful video for you, because this I have given you how to trade with hammer, doji and shooting star. Hopefully your concept will be much clear, and you will be able to trade your naked charts as well. So guys, make sure if you like this video, then please press the like button, share this video everywhere, share in the WhatsApp group as well as on YouTube, so that other members can also get the benefit from the education right now. Okay guys, please make sure that you subscribe the YouTube channel, and if you have any inquiries, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below, and you can also contact me on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, if you want to learn the real tricks of the market, then make sure you contact me on WhatsApp and email. Thank you for watching this video.